I'm Tera Williams with Fox 32 News. We are here today with Chicago Olympic Bid Committee Chairman Pat Ryan. Pat, we wanted to bring you in today for the opportunity to express some of the concerns that have been levied at the bid committee.
Well, thank you, Tera. You know, we're very excited about bringing the 2016 Olympics to Chicago.
Well, let's go ahead and start with our first issue. Okay. The Chicago Yachting Association. They say that their members have been silenced about their concerns over how Monroe Harbor will be used for rowing events. Are these members free to ask their questions and express their concerns?
Absolutely. The bid committee is always seeking input from the local boating community on how to best utilize the waterfront.
Okay, so without fear of reprisals from City Hall?
Of course, without fear of reprisals.
I'm sorry, is something wrong?
Yeah, I just have an itch in my bag. Sorry.
Oh.
Proceed.
Okay, let's talk about our second issue then. This is about the proposed Olympic Village that will be built on the Michael Reese Hospital site south of the city. There have been concerns that this has already started a south side land grab that will inflate real estate values and drive out the elderly and force low-income residents out of that area.
Well, let me assure you, we have their best interests in mind. You have my word, these south side residents will not be infringed upon or harmed in any way.
Another issue is that the International Olympic Committee places strong values on a bid city for having popular support for the Games. Some have said Chicago officials have suppressed public criticism and withheld potentially controversial information. Can you speak to these complaints about a lack of transparency?
Absolutely. Our bid is probably the most transparent bid in Olympic history. Now, if our residents express to us that they don't want the Olympics, I'd be happy to stop the bidding process right now.
Okay. Our final issue that we'd like to bring up is a London economics professor recently stated that bid books are works of fiction. Costs are deliberately underestimated for political reasons. Pat, the 2012 London Games had a projected cost of $4.9 billion. This cost has nearly tripled to $13.5 billion. Can you assure Chicagoans that the projected cost of $3.3 billion is accurate?
Well, we're confident that we can deliver. The plan was really based on very conservative estimates.
Okay, well then you can tell me that private funds will cover all of these expenses?
Private funds will cover all these expenses.